video is on stem and leaf diagrams. I'm going to go straight into two exam questions just to see what they are because you'll get the gist of it that way. So I'll write one out now. Okay, so this is our first exam question and also the question where we're going to find out what we actually do. So a stem and leaf diagram looks like this. This doesn't look much like a stem or a leaf really, but a really key point, the thing that it does is it puts things into ascending order, which is really useful for things like working out the median, so the middle value, and maybe the range, so like the highest and the lowest, because you can immediately see where they are. So let's have a look at how we do this. So the way this works is if I you look for your smallest value first, so in this case it's 17, and the way I put 17 into my stem and leaf diagram is I already have the 1 here, so the 10s are here, and I put my unit 7 there. So if I draw a key, 1, 7 like that is going to be equivalent to 17 years old. And you have to pick the smallest first, so then I recommend that you cross it off. So let's look at the next biggest number, or smallest number, and that is 18. So the way we write 18, so cross it off, is 1 is already there, 18. Then we get 19, so we do 19, you just need the 9. Then we get 2 20s, so it's cross off 20 and cross off 20. And now we're at 20, so we've already got the 2, so 20, and then do another one, 20. Oh, we appear to have missed out on 18, so I'm going to have to go back and add that in here. Next we have 21, I think. Can't trust myself anymore. 21. 37 and 37, 37, 37, and then we go on to 40, 42. So that's now into ascending order, and that's how it works. So make sure you tick them off as you go, otherwise it's super confusing. So now, if I asked you to find the median, bearing in mind these are in ascending order, it's now made a lot easier. So the median is the middle value. So in our data we have 15. So the way you work out the data point you want, you do 15 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So you want the 8th value. So now, because they're already put into order, we just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's this one here. So the median is going to be 22. What about the range? So the range is biggest, take away smallest. We know the biggest is this bottom one, 42, and we know the smallest is this one here, subtract 17. And that gives you 25. And these are years old. And anyway, so that is how you do a stem and leaf diagram, the way you present the data, and that's why it's quite useful. So we go on and do another example now. So here we have the time in minutes to solve a puzzle, and there's the data, and we want to draw a stem and leaf diagram. So let's get the setup. So this time we have values less than 10, so that means the 10s are going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's try and find the smallest in our data, and that looks to be this 5. So if we cross 5 off and put 0, 5, so just 5. Then we have, what is it next, 7? 7, so 7 goes in this column. Then we have 8, but there's 2 of them. 1, 2, 8, 8. Do you have any others? No, not below 10, but we seem to have 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 10, 10, 10, 10. So if we draw a key again, pick any, so if we did 1, so it equals 10 minutes to solve the puzzle. And now we can see they're now in ascending order, and that's just how we write them. So now it asks you to find median time to solve puzzle. So the median is the middle value. So what is the middle time? So how many values, data points do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 data points, you do 20 plus 1 divided by 2, which doesn't quite work. That gives us 10.5, so we want the 10.5 value in, so the value between the 10th and the 11th data point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we want the one between those, but they're both 15, so the middle value, median, is going to be 15. And that is minutes.